Hello, I'm Ruggiero Fiorella, and I'm really happy to be in the final. My piano journey began when I was 7, because before that I just played the small keyboard in Puglia, where I was born. Then when I moved to Tuscany with my family, I started taking serious piano lessons, and then I applied for the conservatory in Florence, and I studied in Conservatorio Luigi Cherubini for many years, and I graduated 2 years ago with Giampaolo Nuti with mentions, and then I went studying in Salzburg under the guidance of Claudio Stansky, and in Italy I keep studying with Riccardo Risaliti privately. Now I'm really looking forward to play next year in the final, and the place is nice, also the atmosphere and the organization is really well done, so I'm really happy about this. I will play the second Prokofiev concerto next year, and I hope you will enjoy it.